Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find a wallet address on Hathor Wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Hathor Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your wallet. After you're signed into your wallet, from the first interface, tap on the arrow icon facing towards you at the bottom of the screen. This will then bring up this receive option. Your wallet address and the QR code will be displayed on the screen. You can now share your wallet address to anyone by tapping on the share icon at the bottom right and select one of the contacts you would want to send your wallet address to. You can also let anyone scan the QR code displayed on the screen to instantly send you funds on your wallet. That is how you will be able to find a wallet address on Hathor. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.